Okay, I want to make a quick little short how-to on taking apart one of these Inland SSDs. This drive went bad on me, so I don't really care. You may have to be a little more careful if you want your data to remain intact, or if you're gonna try to fix it. I tried fixing mine, it didn't take. So for these, there's a little seam right there. I'll follow it right there. You want to get a metal spudger right in there. Hopefully I can show this. And this one will be easier for me to open because I've already opened it, but it shouldn't be too tough. Okay, this is going not as planned. Okay, so it's in there, and then I just kind of twist. Might have better luck with the other end. So even though I've taken this apart already, I snapped it back in. It's only held by tabs, so there we go. And yeah, it's the first time you do it, it's going to be that hard, and more than likely you'll end up breaking a few clips as well. But you know, if you want to get to it, it's almost a must that a few of these tabs break. And then once you find an opening, you can just follow the tabs all the way around. Usually once you get one side, then the other side becomes quite easy. Now I've already got it open, and just follow these little tabs. It's hard to be really precise and not damage the casing, but what you don't want to do is damage the board, and that's on the upper side, at least on this model. You'll see in a minute. Okay. Well, this one's really in there. There's a broken little piece right there. Now, if I can get this little corner here, and I keep marring it more than it needs to, but we'll see. And the last bits are a little hard, a little tough. So then you want to follow the corner and try to get in the seam. Oh shoot. I got it. Oh man, almost. Oh, there we go. Okay. And it takes a little work. As you can see, I've broken a few tabs from the first time I've opened it. Let me see if I can show this real quick. So this is the way the tabs look. The ones that are broken. And then on this side, pretty bad, but you know, more than likely it'll still snap back in place, so I'm not really too worried. And the drive doesn't work, so there's that bit. Now for the meat of it, I suppose. Okay, that's the infamous Phison. It's a PS3111-S11, and this will be the -13, but there's like the 11 and the 12, etc. And I've checked all the little caps, they're good. These two little LEDs light up. I don't know if that's normal or not, but really didn't make a difference for me. You can see the 256G on there, and no chips on the back. just a bunch of little caps and resistors, I think. So these were really from, but you know, they're on the back, so I don't think that would make the drive go bad. Anyway, I did a small reflow on it. Didn't have any effect. I reflashed the firmware on it, and it took the first time, so I was able to reformat again. But after that, I brought it to a new computer. It didn't read it. Kept giving out the same errors it did before, which is usually the, I forget what it's called, the SATA something S11, or I'll check actually. 1 second, I'll let you know. They come up as SATA firm space S11. And when that happens, there's something wrong with the drive, and it's, you know, you can reflash it, might work once or twice, but you know, if you're going that far, you're risking your data. I wouldn't be too hopeful that you can salvage the drive any more than getting a few reads off it. Doing the firmware flash on it does erase the memory on it, so all your data is gone, and well, it becomes pointless. But at least you want to try and see if you can get the drive working again, so you can keep using it, I guess. I don't know. So check these, and these are a little hard to check. Actually, these are easy. EC, and you can't see it. Okay. This cap's EC. The rest of the stuff on there, I'm not touching the controller since I don't know which pin does what. But there it is. I'll flip it around so you can read it. I can give you I'll try to give you a closer look. There we go. There she is, folks. Well, anyway, let me show you what the tabs look like on the one side. Okay, so those are the tabs it holds on to, and there's a series of them. There's, I count 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side, and then 4 on the top side or the bottom side, and then I think I broke these two, so no, that one's still good. That one on the other end, the SATA end of the drive. And then they're keyed in, so you're not going to put them in backwards. So say it won't, there's no way it fits the wrong way. So you do it the right way, and then it snaps back close together again. Now this one's a little broken now, so I'm a little somewhat apprehensive of putting it back, but it still snaps together. Oh, that's a nasty end, but there we go. Okay, there she is. The professional bit. So these are the older ones. I guess the new ones have an upgraded or an updated label on them. I still think they're the same thing. I don't know. There you go.